Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to turn off tiling keypad tones. Tile keypad tones in your phone Moto G04. First of all, open your phone and go to the dialing interface dialer, and if you type numbers here there will be a sound. Okay, if you want to deactivate or turn off the sound, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to settings of your phone here, then go to sound and vibration, and here you go to select tile pad tones. Just turn off this button, tile pad tones. Okay, now go to this same dialer and type. There will be no sound. In this way you can easily turn off tile pad tones on your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.